Climate change is having a profound impact on the kitchen sector. In the last decade, there was a strong focus on food safety. Now the focus is rapidly shifting towards sustainability.
All these pictures of oceans full of plastic, of animals dying trapped in plastic, have affected people worldwide and caused a change in their mindsets.
And this has basically a big impact on us, and there is a big emphasis in our organization to come up with alternative ideas and product concepts.
We are producer, manufacturer of kitchen tools, housewares, baking items, bakery molds and bathroom furnitures. As a manufacturer, we have the responsibility to improve always sustainability in the products, look after the environment, also for our next generations. This is very, very important for us.
We focus on 3 pillars. Introduction of new sustainable materials, making our production processes more energy efficient, and making sure that our employees and stakeholders embrace these goals.
We promote material efficient production processes and try to use as much residual and waste material as possible in our production. And since more than 30 years, we use our waste wood from our furniture production to heat the company. This heating is CO2 neutral.
We already stopped the production and distribution for the most of our disposable items. For the rest of the items, we are either changing the material to more sustainable materials, such as FSC certified wood or paper, or we are changing the function of the items from single-use to multi-use function.
We are using FSC certified wood products in our production. This guarantees that the material is from renewable sources and is transparently controlled along the supply chain from the forest to our factory in Poland.
The FSC certificate ensures that the forest owners and woodworkers across the world make sure that the woods are sustainably managed and preserved for future generations. When the first more sustainable materials came up around 15 years ago, we were among the pioneers who invested in the product development with such materials. Today, the development is much further, and the approach is to make materials 100% bio-based without any fossil component. And this is what we did, for example, with our new Ecolution range with a handle. It consists of bio-based PE and FSC-certified pine wood. The material green PE itself is coming from 100% natural source from the plant sugarcane. It means that 0% of fossil sources are needed to produce the raw material.
These plants absorb CO2 during the cultivation processes, helping us reduce greenhouse gases in the final product. With our modern injection molding machines in Germany, we are able to produce products with extremely low energy consumption, which means the machines have been sustainable for many years.
We are developing a bakeware line where a part of the non-stick coating is substituted by carnauba wax, a vegan renewable wax coming from the carnauba palms in Brazil. The wax has excellent non-stick properties, and we use it because it makes our non-stick coatings and our bakewares more sustainable. And it's one of a very few materials which really could stand the needed temperatures while production. The demand for products manufactured from sustainable materials will keep growing, just because there is this changing mindset in the society, and our customer of tomorrow, the Generation Z, attaches great importance to this topic, and they will ask for alternatives, so we should better be prepared.
We support the Mini Chefs group, organized by restaurants around the region, and we give them kitchen gadgets and utensils, and they train children to cook and to treat the food, to buy the right food, to buy in the right time, not flown in by airplane, to eat the seasonal food.
to bring the young people nearer that the food is not coming from the fridge out of the supermarket, to show them how to use the food, from my point of view, is also a part of sustainability.
We must constantly improve our processes and fulfill the requirements of the market. In terms of sustainability, for us, this means the principle that no more can be consumed than can be regenerated and can be made available again in the future.
As a global market leader, for us, sustainability is not only a matter of products and materials or production, but also in terms of social responsibilities. To get there, we have to unleash innovation, deepen and form new partnerships with our suppliers and customers, form close dialogue with our community to strive for greener solutions.
I'm convinced that the development will go further. There is no stopping point. We cannot go back. Climate is not excusing anything anymore, so we have to go ahead, and we will go ahead.